you can sort of see the sun through the clouds. The clouds are definitely here today in front of Fun Spot America on International Drive. Hurricane Milton is now coming through, and last time we had a hurricane last week, 2 weeks ago. I was at near Fun Spot at Old Town, and now I'm on International Drive for this one. We need a break now. Let's take a closer look. Fun Spot doesn't open up until 2 p.m. today. However, I know some schools in the area have closed, because of this hurricane. The theme parks are still remaining open. Universal and Disney have not closed yet, but I'm sure that's going to possibly change. I have a ticket. Abby and I both have a ticket to Fun Spot. Doesn't expire for a whole year, so I have a whole year to use this thing. I'm going to be coming out here with some friends eventually, probably after the holidays. It'll be my first time ever actually filming a full experience at a Fun Spot. But I'm going to do it. Never done it, and I want to do it. This coaster right here is White Lightning. Old school wooden roller coaster here. This always makes me smile. The Statue of Liberty here. Isn't that cool? They've got a ton of construction down here. It's on one lane right now for Fun Spot. It's kind of weird driving by Fun Spot and it's not even, open on a weird day like this with all the crows and everything. Yeah, straight ahead, those clouds, it's kind of scary, not gonna lie. But we're gonna head down International Drive and gonna go see what's going on down the street. Holy cow. They've definitely done some construction here. I'm pulling in right where the old slingshot used to sit, right behind that construction wall there. Wow. It's official. It is official. The Midway is going bye-bye. Glad I got the microphone today because holy cow, is it windy. I love this. This is Murphy's Pub here. All the wall art they have. Look at this. Seamus Murphy, and there's a little football down there. A local hanging out. That guy's cool. All right. Right over here is the gator golf. Come see our biggest gator. And they have little gators right here. Look at these guys. Look at all of them. Just hanging out. Does anyone know if this golf ball right here was the one that was on Kissimmee property of Highway 192 and Old Town? It used to sit there right on Highway 192. Is that the same golf ball? But of course I'm gonna walk over here and see what they're gonna do to the Midway. And this place is not open for the day. Maybe they're prepping for Hurricane Milton, which I hope that's what they're doing. I always think about businesses, that are not mainstream theme parks and stuff, and what they're gonna do to prep for these things. How's it going? These guys are kind of enjoying this. Well, another one bit the dust, whatever this was. This is kind of gnarly. Lights are still on, certain parts. Those look like Timmy's 3D goggles almost, Jurassic Park. Crazy. See the lights? Oh my gosh, look at these squirrels. I found your house. Busted. You're busted. I found your house, yep. You're busted. Just kidding, you guys can stay here. Enjoy your new home. That dude, I think I scared him. I didn't mean to. You kind of scared me too, bud. You probably got a nice little nest in there, huh? And here it is. Not doing construction today, but this is for lease. So I guess the former owners said goodbye. The magical Midway. As far back as I can remember, this has been here, but last time we could walk right there on the other side. Now they've cut it in half out here on the sidewalk. Here's the entrance and the construction, and the go-kart's still here. I wonder who's gonna get the go-kart. That's a cool keepsake. That should be put somewhere, maybe in the Ripley's down the street. I've actually never like paid too much attention to this, you know? It is cool. I'm guessing it's actually real. It's just been sitting here for as far back as I can remember. And now it's gonna go bye-bye. It's kind of sad, but I have a feeling a lot of this area is gonna change in a few years. I'm gonna cross the street here, go on the other side. Change of plan. I figured if I get my truck and drive over, I can show everything and not have to worry about this weather. So I keep feeling some drops of rain. The last thing I want to do is be walking around here and the bottom falls out with all my gear and everything. So farewell once again. Magical Midway. This will probably not be the last time I show this. Probably show it more as they, take everything off. Hey, I noticed this. They removed all the stickers that were kind of overtaking this. Yeah, that's good. That looks great. It's getting really windy. We got a few more stops. He's hanging out on this rock. All of these. He's even got his mouth open right there. You can kind of see it. All right, a few more stops. Extremely windy. I just noticed something. The grass over here, it's not real. It's not real. Oh yeah, this over here was that zombie. I think it was paintball or laser tag. This is Volcano Island miniature golf. It was going to be changed into Zombie Island because they have a sign out front that says Zombie Island, but it never changed. And to this day, it sits completely abandoned. And I guess that used to be like a plaque with lettering and everything. And the big dinosaur right here. It's almost like the Pee-wee dinosaurs. It reminds me of something like that, But just wanted to show this. I have done videos here. I walked around this whole area. I'm sure people have just walked in here. Got the mastodon here. Sure hope this hurricane is all right here on International Drive. Even the bathrooms over there are like tiki themed, see that? That's so cool. Now this billboard, they have like cut it open completely, I'm guessing for the hurricane. That wind is loud over there. You can't really hear it on the microphone here, but storm is coming. And does anyone know what this restaurant used to be? It looks like it was fine dining at one point. It's always weird with these pre-hurricane because you can see the blue sky is starting to come out a little bit on this side, but you pan over and you got darker clouds coming in. It changes every few minutes. Still haven't fully seen the sun today. It's the best kind of weather though, because it feels really, really good out here. So if you're going to the parks, if you don't mind a few sprinkles here and there, this weather is nice for that. Woo, weather's getting really bad. Man, you can see Epic Universe over there, but I don't want to spoil any of that. So we're looking here. I was gonna walk around over here, but man, started coming down. You can see the other storm. And you can see the other storm over there on its way. But it is windy and rainy. But you can see everything all the way over to the convention center over there. And I was totally gonna go to the top floor and show everything, but they've got it blocked off. Man, they just went off on the slingshot. In this weather, probably feels pretty good. Oh yeah, by the way, we're doing everything we can to be safe. We're taking care of business at the homestead and just doing everything we possibly can. So everyone's kind of reached out to me on social media before and everything. Thank you. And we're gonna be okay, I hope. I will be at Spooky Empire this weekend. I'm looking forward to it. I will be there all weekend filming everything. And I'm also gonna be doing a lot of stuff on my Instagram. So if you haven't bought your tickets yet for Spooky Empire, do it. There's a link down below in my description box. If not, follow them on their Instagram and you can buy your tickets through there. And if you go to Spooky Empire this weekend, tell them I sent you. But I think this is all I'm gonna be able to do today. This weather is ridiculous. You can see Tower of Terror to the far left. Let's see if I can, well, my finger is massive right there. That's Tower of Terror. And then you can see the Swan and Dolphin and Epcot. Man, this wind is ridiculous. All that over there is Disney. But I hope everyone in Florida and on the coast is safe. I hope you guys are doing what you need to do to prepare for this. Hurricane Milton. I hope you stay safe, Orlando and International Drive, and I'll see you on the next episode. Until then, stay safe and happy Halloween. Goodbye.